What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing headlight bulbs on a 2016 Ram 1500, and this is how you do it and what you're going to need. So starting out, we're going to bring you over here to the tools. So today you're going to need a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, a 3-inch and a 6-inch extension with your ratchets, and a 10mm open-end wrench, as well as a magnet. So over here, first thing you're going to start with is removing this cover. So there's 4 or 5 of these plastic clips. All you're going to do is pop up here and then just proceed to remove all of them and set this aside. From here, you're going to come in. There's going to be a 10mm right here on top, as well as a 10mm down here. That's why we're going to need our long extension. So we'll go ahead and we'll remove our bolts. I've already pre-loosened them. So, and then you'll take your magnet and bring your bolt up. Set those aside. And you'll come over here to the side of the headlight. Get your fingers back in here and then just pull the corner out and then slide it away and out. And then from here, you'll be able to access your plug to go ahead and remove the headlight from the vehicle if you wanted to set it on a table. And then you can remove your 8mm. There's 5 8mm bolts here, which will give you access to your light. So if we come over to the other side, I've already got that done. So here, as you can see, we've already got our cover removed, bolts set up on our fender, and from here you can go ahead and remove your normal headlight, or your high beam is right in here, and that's how you get to them. And then to put it back together, we'll go back to the set because it's already on. Alright, once you've reinstalled your cover after replacing your headlight bulbs, you're going to go ahead, get your bolts ready. Now you're going to set that in place, and then you're going to pivot the outside inward, and there is like a hip joint that you're trying to seat this headlight in. And you're just going to give it a slight push in, and it should line itself. From there, you're going to take your bolt with your magnet. We're going to sit it down right into place. Okay, we're going to spin our magnet a little bit. Alrighty, and then from there, you just tighten it on down. Alrighty, and then after that, you'll just put your upper cover back on, and then you are all done. So, if you guys like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and if you want to subscribe for more, if you have anything you want to see in the future, go ahead and comment below and tell us what you'd like to see.